Hello everyone. Next, start off by taking a pair of shoes. We do not want to tie it as we normally do. So instead, make a hole in a loop with one of the fingers and then bring it through the other sides and push it through. Next, take the shoelace, take this kind of shape and then any sort of cylindrical shape and then wrap it around it as such. Now bring the other side through it and then make a knot out of one of the sides as you can see and bring the lace through it, that is the eyelet through it. Do this on either side and fasten it by pulling one side through the other. Next, we will start off by tying a lace by taking the two sides and then tying a basic knot to it and then making a loop out of one of the sides and then begin to make a normal bow. Instead of making a normal bow out of your lace, start off by tying a knot and then make a loop using your fingers to begin with. Make another loop at the back and then fasten it on all four ends instead of tying a normal knot on your shoelace. Start off by making a loop, multiple loops on one of the sides of your lace. Do the same with the other side and then pull one side through the next, tighten it as you please. Next, take the lace two sections at a time as you can see, pull from the top underneath as such. Do this until you reach the other side and then tie a normal knot with it. Now, we will start off by taking any sort of cylindrical shape, wrap the lace around it and now tighten it with the other side as well. Do the same on the other side, take one side of the lace, wrap it around repeatedly, do the same on the other side, join it. Thank you for watching.